Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome back to another vlog about my cement plant project. So in this video I will tell you what type of precaution we take if you are doing shuttering work at site. So let's start the video. My first point, first we check the material selection and inspection. Okay, so my material are free from cracks, is waterproofing material we use in shuttering work. After that we are checking the proper fixing and support. We are up first, we start the shuttering. Before that we apply the shuttering oil properly. We checking the joints are proper, free from leakage, everything. After that we are checking the alignment and level. Okay, for alignment we are using the plumb bob, split level, line dory. After that we check the load bearing capacity, ensure that our shuttering is capable to carry the concrete load. So we check everything before shuttering work. And my most important thing, first we take the safety. Worker should wear the proper PPE, shoes, helmet. If we are doing concreting in high places, we at least make like scaffolding. You guys see, we are making the scaffolding work at corner side. We are using the vertical horizontal. We make a proper space so my worker stand that foldings and do the concreting work, because safety is very important in construction work. You guys see in my side, first we put the shuttering work, we give the supports, wooden supports. We are applying it in 400 mm distance. After that we use the drill the board and use the tie rod. When we fix the tie rod, after that we apply the jack both sides. So we need to take precaution all, because if shuttering failure is not good for my structures. Okay, so as per engineer, we are trying to our shuttering is not fail. Okay, so we need to check each and everything. Proper support, how much the tie rod, one tie rod to second tie rod support, at least 400 mm we put another support. After we put the tie rods, we put the vertical support. After that for top portion and bottom portion we need to apply to jack. After when we concreting, that time our plywood is straight, he not move. That's why we apply the jack. Top and bottom side is 600-700 mm distance, we apply the jack. You guys see, we are using the vertical horizontal and make space properly, so someone stand the staging and do concreting work properly. Okay, so that's it in my video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, subscribe my channel, and so I update you what happening in my cement plant project. I will update you each and everything. Thank you so much.